Good morning, grade 2s. I'm going to carry on with the skip counting. You did count in threes earlier on if you saw the assignment that I posted and you were obedient to follow those instructions. You've already done skip counting in threes. We did it there, so we're going to practice it here again. So let's count together. 3, 6, 9, 12. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And we're going to count back. 27, what is it? 24, 21, 18, what is that? 15, minus 3, 12, minus 3, 9, minus 3, 6, minus 3, 3, and 0. Let's count in fours. Remember to say plus 4 in your head every time we count on. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, and let's go back. 44, 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 0. Well done. We'll keep on practicing counting in threes and fours because those ones are the new ones for us. For others, you should know pretty good by now. Keep on practicing your skip counting because it's going to benefit you. Let's look at the counting in twos on a number line. And after we've done that, I'm going to show you the secret about counting in twos in a minute. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And here is the secret I spoke about. It's standing right here in front of you. 6 times 2 is 12. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. Do you see what I see? You take this number, double 10 is 20. Double 9 is 18. Double 6 is 24. Double 15 is 30. Double 8 is 16. Double 11 is 22. So, if you need to be quick at your times tables with the 2 times table, just double it in your head quickly and you'll have the answer. Nobody needs to know. That's a nice, cool trick. So, now we're going to find out how to get to the what times 2 to get to a number of one of the multiples of 2. Say for instance, I say 3 times 2 equals 6. We all know how to get there. We go 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. I counted 3 times in twos. If I see a sum that says 6 times 2, then I know it is 12. Because what did I do? I went 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And I landed up at the 12. If I see 8 times 2 equals 16, that's also not so hard for me because I know After 8 jumps, I would have counted all the way up to 16. But now what if I say, what times 2 equals something? Let's have a look. We're going to play with these here. What times 2 equals 10? Right? Say for instance, then we're going to have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 equals 10. You see, we did 5 hops. What times 2 equals 18? There is 18 over there. So let's count the hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 group. 9 skips of 2 gets us all the way to 18. So 9 times 2 is 18. What times 2 is 24? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 skips of 2 gets us to 24. 12 times 2 is 24. Let's look at these. What times 2 equals 20? And we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 twos gets us to 20. What times 2 gives us 6? 1, 2, 3 twos gets us to 6. What times 2 gets us to 12? You're on it. 6 times 6 skips of 2 gets us to 12. What times 2 gets us to 14? Very good. 7 twos gets us to 14. What times 2 gets us to 8? Yes, that's right. 4 twos gets us to 8. What times 2 equals 16? Yes, you're right. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 skips. What times 2 equals 22? Very good. 11 times 2 equals 22. So, if you do not have a number line, maybe you would like to draw one of your own, numbering the numbers quickly all the way up to 24, or whichever number you want to, drawing your skips in twos. Remember to start with 0. And then you will be able to answer all these what times 2 sums. But say for instance, you do not have a number line and your teacher or mom and dad or anybody asks you what times 2 equals 18. You've got your fingers on you, isn't that so? Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Very good. How many groups of 2 makes 18? 9 groups of 2 makes 18. What times 2 equals 22? Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and another one, 22. How many times did I count? 10 and 1, 11. 11 times 2 equals 22. And that wasn't even hard. Isn't that so? Let's see how good you are. I'm going to challenge you quickly, just like I did with the doubling over here. Now this time I'm going to say times 2. Okay? Times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2. Ha, that's not very clever of me. You guys are looking at the board behind me. Okay, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Times 2 equals 20. Yeah, 10 times 2 equals 20. Times 2 equals 16. What times 2 equals 16? 8 times 2 equals 6. I see what you're doing. You guys are halving on me here. Because now you know that double of 7 is 14. That means if I say times 2 is 14, you're going to half 14 and say 7 groups of 2 makes 14. How clever of you. Well, boys and girls, multiplication makes us quick, it makes us smart, and it gives us wonderful life skills. Let's see if you know. Say, for instance, okay, we're back at school. Mrs. Damons has 18 pencils. And Mr. Jennings says to her, you have to give each child 2 pencils with these 18 pencils that you have. She will start thinking, how many children do I have in my class? Oh no, this will not be enough pencils. Because, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Oh, only 9 children? I can only take 9 groups of 2 out of 18. So only 9 children will get 2 pencils each if he gives her 18 pencils. And she will say, no, Mr. Jennings, I need more. I need at least 24 pencils. No, not even 24. She needs double of that. 48, I would say. Then you can give 24 children 2 pencils each. Well, think about that. And before you go, see if you can write a few what times 2 times sums down for yourself and figure out the answers. Bye-bye for now.